Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, here today to talk to you about one of our containment products. These are our demolition bags. So these are our Restore Solutions demolition bags. So this bag here is 700 by 1100, 200 UM, and they come 50 in a box. This bag here is 100 UM, and it's 1500, so 1.5 meters by 1 meter. And yes, they come in 100 in a box. So for different purposes, for your demolition, it's fantastic to have these strong bags on board in your vehicles. They fold up nice and small. This one here folds up nice and small, so you can have that in your vehicle, nice and compact. Same with this one. Nice and compact. You'll be able to stock them in your vehicle when you get to your demolition when you're cutting out your walls and so forth, and you have to pull out carpet and wet carpet and so forth. Very strong bags. Check out our website for further information. Thanks for watching.